Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with shopperinformer.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 100 PSI portable air pump, a great product by AstroAI. Let's get right into it. So in the box, we got our user's manual, a thank you card, a little bag with an assortment of different airing tips. We'll look at that in just a second. We've got the main air valve that's going to attach to your auto valve stem, and then the air pump compressor. So if we take a look at the air pump itself, it's got a real straightforward and simple build design. Very lightweight. Yeah, it's got a nice built-in handle up top, which makes it easy to carry around. Then we have our main air hose that comes off, and we're going to talk about the attachments here shortly. We've got an extra long 10-foot cord that runs off of your 12-volt accessory input here, so you'll be able to reach all of your tires no matter what. On the front, we've got a simple on-off switch here that'll deliver power to the unit, along with an additional button right here. It's going to turn on the flashlight that's on the back side, and then once it's powered on, we've got a digital screen up here. We'll be taking a look at that shortly. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they do provide you with a variety of different tips for different inflatables. So you got this for like basketballs and footballs. If you have a Schrader valve on like a road bike, this would work right here. And different types of inflatables, whether you got a thin hole or a wider one, they're going to have you covered. Probably most people will be using this one to inflate the car tires, but all of these are actually going to screw in independently into the main hose, real nice and easy. So if we bring this over here, regardless of which one you want to choose, yeah, you just start screwing it in, and then it's going to butt up into a seal there so you don't have any air leaks. So whether you're using this main one to inflate the car tire or any of these over here, application is the same. So once you plug it into power, you've got your different choice of modes here. We've got PSI, yeah, bar, KPA, or kg per centimeter, right? And then it circles back around. And then you can use the plus and minus to set the desired PSI or what have you. So for my car, it's 44, so I'm gonna set it to 40 right now. And then once you connect it to the tire, it's gonna give you an actual readout of what the pressure is. So we're just a little under. So I think I'm actually gonna bump it up just to 42 for demonstration purposes. And then all you have to do is hit the on-off switch down here. And as soon as it hits that target pressure, it automatically turns off. So at the end of the day, the AstroAI air pump is a great buy, and it's never a bad idea to have one of these on hand, whether that's in the garage or stashed in the car for a roadside emergency. You're gonna wish you had one when you need it the most, and you don't. And this thing's really easy to use. It plugs into the cigarette lighter, fully digital and automatic. Set it, forget it, and it does its job. So that's my opinion for the day, and to find more great reviews like this, log on to shopperinformer.com. The link is down in the description.